nakhi treke dhena khena Dhaghine dha treke dhena nakhi treke dhena khena ta treke dhena khena takhi treke dhena khena Dhaghine dha treke dhena nakhi treke dhena khena da Dhaghine sweet spot of this mantra is in the inflection of the left side. So you can see when I play a little bit faster, you can hear the inflection. I'll play that a few times so you can hear it. Faster. Again, the sweet spot is in the left side. It's just master that, then it really brings out the character, the personality of this particular mantra.
What is the beat called?
The beat is called actually a friend of mine, actually my uncle's friend taught this to me many years ago, so I don't know anything about it, but I just picked it up. It's very simple actually. But if you can master the nuances in the left side, it really gives a lot of personality to the thing. Because if you don't do the left side, this is what it sounds like. It's kind of boring, right? Now if you put the inflection in, see how you really feel like you're rocking. You know,
it sounds good.
Yeah. Thank you, dear devotees. Hare Krishna.